Hey guys, what's up? We're at SeaWorld Orlando for another Penguin Trek / General Park update. Let's go inside and see what's new. Barely any line to get into the park. It is a Wednesday. So over in the main gift shop, we have these new merchandise items. We have this blue jacket, so SeaWorld on the front. Got these cute little graphic patches. So we got the, oh that's really cute. We got the pink chicken boats. Like peace sign, and then over here we got some patches, and then inside the jacket we have this cool tie-dye, pink tie-dye shirt with the smiley face, ombre tumblers, a bucket hat, little cute travel bag or makeup bag, and then this black crew neck sweatshirt, and it has like the Shamu popsicle, and yeah, that's pretty cute. And we have some exciting news. Orca Encounter is open again, so the stadium is open again. So yeah, 12, 3, and 6 today, and I got some exciting things to show you guys around the stadium. So over by the dining area, they have these really cool new orca statues. They got some that look like they're swimming, and there's one that looks like it's leaping out of the rocks there. Really, really pretty. They kind of got a wood motif going on there. Currently, Icebreaker has a 000 weight considering it is breaking no ice today. More orca fins over by the Icebreaker entrance, I guess you could say. And these ones, I noticed that the kind of gray statue kind of things look like kind of like waves. So yeah, that's cool too. And over in the middle, we have a brand new orca statue. You guys remember the old one? So it's kind of like a contemporary wooden one, I would say. With a reflecting pond right now. Perhaps the water would be moving soon, but yeah, that's what they got going on right now. All throughout the outside, they have the Orca Encounter, the new murals, so they got a bunch of beautiful murals. They got the orcas, of course, there's orcas all around. I'm gonna say that probably like a bajillion times, but yeah, you get the idea. And they also do have the new self-service kiosk in here, so that is also a plus. So yeah, and here you go, you got the new stadium. So once again, you got the wooden motif, and also some green decorative area on the top there. And then you can see the area where they painted all up top here on the roofing area. Some birds.
And out front in the stadium, folks, my name is Nick. I'm one of the trainers here at Orca Stadium, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about what is going on. Now, today is actually day 2 of us having access to this brand new area. Now, for our past members or folks that have visited the park over the last couple of months, you're very aware that we have been working on a major renovation project in our stadium area, our front stadium area. As you can see, everything in the stadium is new, the stage is new, the set is new, the pool has been resurfaced. It's actually a different color. So we have a lot of really new, exciting things going on. Now folks, as animal trainers, it is critical for us to create safe, clean, enriching habitats for our animals. Because not only does that help us to inspire and educate all of our guests, but it helps us to showcase these amazing animals in the best possible light. Working with our 3 female killer whales, Katina, Nalani, and Malia, getting them acclimated, getting them comfortable, allowing them the opportunity to explore the new area before we're really going to ask them anything, any show behaviors, or really anything at all. Just giving them access, making sure that all of our safety checks have been made, the pool is safe for them, so we want to give them the opportunity to come out here and check out all the new stuff. Now that was yesterday, and so far today. About an hour ago, we opened this side of the facility. We're 18 years old, and Makayo is actually the youngest member of our killer whale family at 13 years old. So for this presentation, we've allowed the boys about an hour to come out and explore. As you can see, we have one of the whales out front. Actually, there's Trua right there. Now we have two whales out front, giving them the opportunity to check out the new area. So folks, I want to let you know, this is not going to be our Orca Encounter show. This is going to be a presentation, a trainer talk.
So they're also having a St. Patrick's Day celebration. It's going on the 7th through the 10th, and then also the weekend after that. You know what time it is. It is time for the Sky Tower, getting them bird's eye views. Let's go.
Raise an exotic fish, relax on a beautiful beach, and even swim alongside dolphins. Here, partnering with multiple government agencies, conservationists, zoo.
Good news, the pathway is now open for the sea lions. So yeah, can't go over to Kraken anymore. The door's gonna be shut. It's gonna say ambassadors only. So yeah, you can actually go and check out the track. Can't go on the construction site, but yeah, you can watch our video from a week ago or so and see exactly what was inside the show building and outside just a little bit. But yeah, as far as that, there is some rock work going on, as you saw from our Sky Tower views. But yeah, pretty cool over here. It's nice so guests can see exactly what is going on. You can see a lot of landscaping is happening, a lot of pathway work. But yeah, very, very cool. Lots of good photo opportunities. So over here is a ring where the grouting cement will go. It's going to fill the space where the support and the foundation will go. Are you serious? There's already a loose article on the ride. Alright, that's too much.
Very wonderfully up there if you have any questions. So in here at Pacific Point, you those two comparisons, I say that the California sea lions are more like dogs. They do bark birds to walk with, as comparison to our harbor seals do more of a hop. They don't use those flickers really to walk with. Now our harbor.
So where the ramp used to be to get into the Sea Lion Stadium for wheelchairs and strollers, that's going to be over towards the right now. And as far as the netting goes, looks like there was quite a bit of work done all around this area. So it looks like they're trying to control those lost articles that may be subject to perhaps flying out in these areas.
Neutron around here, we love them. They are considered.
More more nets over by Journey to Atlantis side of the Penguin Trek area. It's been a while since I've come across this area to come inside. Let's go and see what our sail friends are up to. Oh, and also this other side is open too, which is cool. So yeah, here's your pink chicken update. I don't think I got any complaints. Wait, what is this, guys? Oh, they like to say they do like living at SeaWorld, yes? Okay, alright, cool. Alright, sounds good to me, guys. Well, that's going to do it from SeaWorld Orlando for our Penguin Trek / General Park update. Big news, the Orca Stadium has reopened with some big new improvements. We got some orca statues all around the stadium, as well as some cool wood theming throughout. And also the Penguin Trek area, the walkway has been reopened to the seal area, as well as some rock work, some pavement all throughout that site. And so we'll be back, of course. So if you like what we do, follow us on all our socials, and I'll see you next time. Bye!